3, 2, 1, go! Starting off the autonomous period, we have Millennium Falcons and Claire Monsters, as well as the Midnight Mechanics, all grabbing fuel from the neutral zone. Midnight Mechanics grabbing theirs, putting them back. Claire Monster and Millennium Falcons sending up a bunch of fuel. Millennium Falcons grabbing another hopper load, getting ready to score, and they get it up along with Claire Monster's second grouping of fuel here right at the end of the autonomous period. Alliance 3, the Red Alliance here, coming out in the lead, 55-26. Let's see if they can change this around. Millennium Falcons going over the bump, lining up for some more shots here. But it's now the Blue Alliance's shift. It's their turn to score. We have 41-60, the Robotics grabbing a bunch of fuel in the neutral zone. Midnight Mechanics stuck on top of fuel in the neutral zone. It looks like they're about to get off, though. Claire Monsters going over and scoring for the Blue Alliance. Robotics trying to get there as well. Midnight Mechanics lining up for a shot. Can they aim there? Hopefully they can get some scores. But it's now the Red Alliance's shift. We have the Millennium Falcons unloading their all robot of fuel. Overclock doing the same now, sending a bunch of fuel up in a perfect streamline into the red hub. Another batch from 3647. Overclock sending in more fuel here with less than a minute and a half to go. The Red Alliance is staying in the lead here with almost 140 points. Now it's Blue's turn to score. Midnight Mechanics, they have a lot of fuel in their robot. Robotics sending in a lot of fuel as well. Claire Monster shooting from both of their turrets from the depot corner. Midnight Mechanics not getting any fuel out. There they go. A volley coming from the Midnight Mechanics. Blue is catching up to Red here. Their own surpassed them. They might actually do it in this shift here. Yes, they do. The Blue Alliance is in the lead with just under a minute remaining. Overclocked in the Millennium Falcons, sending up a huge amount of fuel into the red hub. This is their last shift here before endgame. Let's see what they can do. 49-84 Bullseye doing some defense on the Midnight Mechanics. More fuel going up from Overclocked and the Millennium Falcons. Almost 30 seconds left to go. The Red Alliance pulling back ahead by 50 points. We'll see what Blue can do in these last 30 seconds. Midnight Mechanics, Claire Monster, and the Robotics all scoring at the same time for the Blue Alliance. On the red side of the field, we have the Millennium Falcons clearing out fuel from underneath the tower. Same with Overclocked. They're now scoring that in the red hub, but more fuel is going up from the Midnight Mechanics. Only 10 seconds left. Blue is catching up to Red here, but Red still has a 40-point lead on the Blue Alliance. Millennium Falcons with another volley to secure that lead at the very end of the match. Official scores will be out momentarily. And the scores going up on the big board. It's going to be the Red Alliance winning this match, 265-208. That wraps up round one. Alliance 3 winning this one, moving on in the upper bracket to round 2, match 8, while Alliance 6 drops down to the lower bracket, round 2, match 6.